One of the most fascinating aspects of the Baalbek site is the sheer size of the blocks used in its construction. To put it into perspective, the stone of the pregnant woman is heavier than the largest stone blocks used in the pyramids of Giza, which weigh around 80 tons each. This means that the builders of Baalbek were working with stones more than 10 times heavier than those used by the ancient Egyptians. Theories abound regarding who built these structures and how they were able to move such massive stones. Some suggest that the Romans, known for their engineering prowess, inherited the site from a much older civilization that possessed advanced technologies or extraordinary physical abilities, possibly giants. This theory is bolstered by the fact that the Romans added their temple on top of an already existing platform, indicating that the site was considered sacred or significant long before their arrival. Speculated that the walls must have been built by giants or with the aid of supernatural forces. The mysterious nature of the site, combined with its impressive scale, led to numerous legends and myths, both among the local indigenous people and the Spanish invaders. One of the most intriguing aspects of Sacsayhuaman is the precision with which the stones are cut. Each block is unique, with no two stones being identical, yet they fit together perfectly, forming a jigsaw-like pattern that has withstood the test of time and numerous earthquakes. The technique used to achieve this level of precision remains unknown, and even modern engineers struggle to replicate it with today's technology. The stones at Sacsayhuaman are not only massive but also shaped in a way that suggests advanced knowledge of geometry and engineering. The walls are constructed in a zigzag pattern, which some researchers believe was designed to withstand seismic activity. This indicates that the builders of Sacsayhuaman had a deep understanding of the natural environment and incorporated this knowledge into their construction techniques. It is supported by the sheer size of the stones and the difficulty in explaining how they were moved and placed with such precision. Some suggest that giants, with their immense strength, could have been responsible for the heavy lifting, while humans, possibly under the guidance or supervision of these giants, performed the detailed stone carving and assembly. This theory is further supported by local legends that speak of a race of giants who once inhabited the region. According to these legends, the giants were responsible for building many of the megalithic structures in the area, including Sacsayhuaman. The legends also describe the giants as being technologically advanced, possessing knowledge and skills far beyond those of the human inhabitants of the time. The exact age of Sacsayhuaman is still debated. While the mainstream view is that it was built by the Incas in the 15th century, some researchers argue that the site is much older, possibly dating back thousands of years before the Incas. This theory is supported by the weathering patterns on the stones, which suggest a much greater age than previously thought. Conspiracy theories surrounding Sacsayhuaman often involve the idea of a lost civilization with advanced technology, possibly aided by giants or extraterrestrial beings. Some suggest that the site could have been a power center, using the Earth's natural energies for purposes we do not yet understand. Others believe that Sacsayhuaman was part of a global network of megalithic sites, connected by an ancient knowledge that has since been lost to history. Sacsayhuaman could have been a fortress, a ceremonial site, or even a place of astronomical observation. The zigzag pattern of the walls, combined with their strategic location overlooking Cusco, suggests that the site had both defensive and symbolic purposes. Some researchers believe that Sacsayhuaman was designed to align with celestial events such as solstices and equinoxes, and may have served as a calendar or an observatory,